Life in all its splendor is a magnificent tapestry woven by the forces of nature. But beneath the surface of this vibrant world lies a realm of extraordinary complexity. Welcome to the fascinating world of biophysics, where the principles of physics unravel the mysteries of life itself. At the heart of every living organism lies the cell, a tiny yet incredibly complex unit of life. Within these microscopic structures, countless processes occur every second, driven by the fundamental laws of physics. Today we embark on a journey to explore some of these remarkable processes, starting with the enigma of protein folding. Proteins are the building blocks of life, essential for countless functions within our bodies. But how do these long chains of amino acids know how to fold into the precise shapes needed to perform their roles? This is where the principles of physics come into play. Protein folding is guided by the delicate interplay of forces at the molecular level. Attractive and repulsive forces between atoms, hydrogen bonds, and the hydrophobic effect all contribute to the final structure. It's like a delicate dance, where each step is dictated by the laws of physics. To understand these intricate movements, scientists use a technique called molecular dynamics. By simulating the interactions between atoms and molecules, we can observe how proteins fold, move, and interact with their surroundings in real time. These simulations provide invaluable insights, helping us understand diseases caused by misfolded proteins, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and guiding the development of new treatments. But proteins don't just float around in isolation. They are often embedded in cell membranes, forming channels and receptors that control the flow of ions and molecules in and out of the cell. This brings us to another fascinating aspect of biophysics, the biomechanics of cells and tissues. Cells are not static entities. They move, divide, and respond to their environment. The cytoskeleton, a network of protein filaments, provides structural support and drives cell movement. These processes are governed by the principles of mechanics. Microtubules and actin filaments are like the scaffolding and highways of the cell. They assemble and disassemble dynamically, generating forces that push and pull the cell membrane, enabling movement and division. It's a remarkable example of how physical forces shape biological functions. On a larger scale, these principles extend to the tissues that make up our bodies. Take muscles, for instance. Muscle contraction is driven by the interaction between actin and myosin filaments, converting chemical energy into mechanical work. Whether it's the graceful flight of a bird or the powerful stride of a cheetah, the biomechanics of muscles enable the incredible diversity of movement in the animal kingdom. The heart, a marvel of biological engineering, beats tirelessly throughout our lives, pumping blood to nourish every cell. This rhythmic contraction is orchestrated by the precise alignment and interaction of muscle fibers, driven by electrical signals and the flow of ions. By studying these processes, biophysicists gain insights into heart diseases and develop technologies like pacemakers to help those whose hearts struggle to keep the rhythm. And then there is the molecule of life itself, DNA, the double helix that carries the genetic blueprint for every living organism. Understanding how DNA replicates and repairs itself is another triumph of biophysics. The replication of DNA is a finely tuned process, involving a host of enzymes that work together to unwind the double helix, copy the genetic code, and repair any errors. It's a symphony of molecular interactions, governed by the principles of chemistry and physics. These processes are not isolated events. Within a cell, thousands of reactions occur simultaneously, each influenced by the physical environment. Temperature, pressure, and pH all play a role in shaping the behavior of molecules and cells. Advances in technology such as high-powered microscopes and computer simulations allow us to peer into this hidden world, revealing the wonders of life at the smallest scales. From the molecular to the macroscopic, the principles of physics are woven into the very fabric of life. Biophysics bridges the gap between the physical and biological sciences, offering profound insights into the nature of life itself. This interdisciplinary field brings together physicists, biologists, chemists, and engineers, all united by a common goal: to understand the fundamental processes that drive life. Their work not only expands our knowledge, but also leads to innovations in medicine, biotechnology, and environmental science. For young minds, the study of biophysics offers a gateway to endless curiosity and discovery. By exploring the natural world through the lens of physics, we inspire the next generation of scientists and innovators. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of life, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that sustains our planet. Biophysics reminds us that every living organism, from the smallest microbe to the largest mammal, is part of a grand interconnected web of life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of biophysics. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and marvel at the beauty of life.